Let's turn now to your full forecast. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca joins me now. And Tony, we've been kind of lucky with this warmer weather, but we have some changes on the way.
Yeah, we're going to be trending cooler, Kayla, over the next several days. It'll be a gradual process, but otherwise we continue to be dry. Gorgeous sunset behind me in Newport Harbor, but also a very gusty breeze. As we talked about earlier, it's one reason why a red flag warning has been issued for tomorrow. No outdoor burning. Take you to the streets of Providence. We've got temperatures in the 60s. What time is it? Yeah, less than a half hour away from sunset. You can see that breeze in Providence as well. Dry conditions. Temperatures topped out in the low 70s this afternoon. Once again, way above average for this time of year. Lower to middle 60s right now. 64 Providence. You got mid 60s South Shore, Taunton 67, and New Bedford with a similar temperature. So trending cooler over the next several days, with Saturday being the coolest day. No rain through at least Saturday. Of course, we need rain. And even Sunday. In fact, the daylight hours of Sunday, if you have plans to be outdoors, activities and things like that, go ahead. It's really not until Sunday night, but the rain, unfortunately, is light. And as we mentioned, the elevated brush fire risk continues. This is really until further notice as far as outdoor burning. But skies are clear and dry across a huge chunk of the northeastern United States, and the lack of precipitation still in hurricane season. That is a Category 2 Hurricane Raphael. This is Florida. This is not approaching the Gulf Coast or Florida. In fact, you take a look at the latest winds are at 105 miles per hour. Forecast track is rather unique in this particular situation, with a track due west and then actually south into the Bay of Campeche by the latter part of the weekend and into early next week, weakening to a tropical storm. This would not be a threat to the U.S. mainland, but obviously going to keep a close eye on it. Meanwhile, closer to home, it's just more of the same. The weather pattern continues to favor the dry weather. You've got cooler air to our north, which will slowly filter down over the next couple of days. It'll start to feel more like the season. Move ahead now to tomorrow afternoon. Bright sunshine, a gusty breeze, but dry, about cooler, but really temperatures still above average, low to mid 60s for daytime highs. You're heading out Friday night, weather looks fine. Saturday, bright sunshine, but noticeably chilly, still kind of a gusty breeze. Saturday afternoon, that's it. High temperature only in the lower 50s, cold on Saturday night. And notice Sunday morning, we'll start with a bit of sunshine, then clouds will increase. Now, any rainfall for Sunday, look, it's way out here. So this is going to be more of a Sunday night into Monday morning. All right, hour by hour forecast tomorrow morning. It is a much cooler start. 7 a.m. 45, 11 a.m. bright, breezy and dry with a temperature at 60. And then during the afternoon, bright sunshine, gusty breezes, about 63 to 64 for the afternoon high temperature. All right, 7-day forecast showing bright, windy weather for your Friday. Bright sunshine, much cooler. Yeah, back to sweaters and jackets, but otherwise dry. Clouds increasing on Sunday. Sunday day is dry. Showers Sunday night into Monday morning, Veterans Day Monday, with temperatures in the 60s.